February 19th is the day.
Ah, that's a good one.
For the concert.
Awesome.
Yeah,
we're going to cover some of the weather for Rodeo 2026 inside the FBC. Clear skies and 72. That forecast isn't bad at all. But if you're going to be out at the Midway like Simone, let me show you what it's going to look like for opening night at your rodeo. We're looking at lower to mid 70s for the next couple of hours. In fact, we will stay in the 70s through probably 8:30 or 9 o'clock. So definitely a warm evening. No jackets required. And if you're going to be out there late after tonight's performance, you're coming outside to cloudy to partly cloudy skies. Not bad at all. Upper 60s as we work our way into the 10 to 11 o'clock hour tonight. Looking into downtown, a bit of a little haze on this sunshine, and we can even see it over Calaveras Lake. I see a boat on the water. Nice warm afternoon. Randolph reporting 80, 81 at Floresville, Stockdale, out east at Seguin, 78 New Braunfels, Bulverde, 77 here in the city. If you're heading out tonight, any plans are looking good. Once again, warm all evening long, and you won't need a jacket for sure. Looking ahead to Valentine's weekend, I can show you that we do see red, and that's for a weather impact alert on the rain chance early Saturday. Here's the good news. I'm going to show you the latest high-resolution data that's in now, and it appears that most of these showers should be early on Saturday, and we're salvaging Saturday late afternoon and evening. We're certainly looking at a beautiful Sunday. One thing's for sure, it's going to be a breezy weekend. We will definitely have some good wind speeds, especially out of the west, come Saturday afternoon and Sunday. Now, this is the upper level feature, this trough digging in west of the Baja that's going to be moving east over Mexico, then bring in the rain chance that really begins on Friday night but gets a little bit better on Saturday morning. Here's that high resolution data that's in now. And we're going to be under the clouds for about all of Friday, maybe some holes late in the afternoon as we get upwards of about 80, as warm as about 84 at Carrizo Springs tomorrow afternoon. But then as far as the rain goes, it's really not going to be until after midnight. We're looking at 3 a.m. Saturday for some showers to develop east and mainly up I-35. Notice nothing heavy, no thunderstorms expected, but radar should fill in a little bit better as we get into about mid-morning or noon hour Saturday, and that should about wrap it up. So here's how I'm looking at Saturday's forecast. 70% chance between 8 and 10 a.m. Once we get to midday, 30% chance. We'll drop it and might even lower that depending on what I see tomorrow, but only about a 10% chance when you get into the mid to afternoon hours at 5 p.m. West winds, though, are going to be picking up, 15 with gusts around 20 miles per hour. We certainly need more rain than is in the forecast for Saturday because we'll stay under half an inch. But look at all of these counties. This was updated today, and I'll tell you, I was surprised to not see exceptional drought where you see extreme drought once again from about Laredo all the way up to Austin. 14-day forecast. We do begin with 60 degrees tomorrow morning, then up to 80 for the Friday high. We're looking at a 60% chance of the showers through about midday, as I mentioned, Saturday, then 79. Sunny and 75 Sunday, and no change on this warm air. Well above average for the days to come. As a matter of fact, we're not even expecting to see much in the form of rain chances until we get to Sunday the 22nd, Monday the 23rd. Looking at a system there at about a 20 or 30% chance. How about a check of traffic? The traffic impact on your Thursday. We'll start with the map.